So how can you sign out from the Google Meet app on the iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can open up the app like this as usual, and in the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. So you can tap on it like this, and you have the ability to, of course, tap on the three dots to expand it, right? So you can add another account if that's the thing that you want to do. You can, of course, just add a new one, and you'll be able to like sign in with a different account. So that's one thing, of course, but instead you can also tap on the use Meet without an account. And when you tap on this, it will basically let you join with a code. So if somebody sends you like of course, a Google Meet link, you'll be able to then join without your account being attached. So you'll join like a stranger. So that's another thing which you might have in mind. And then you can see that the Google Meet is like empty in here because you are using it without the account, or you can also just start using it with the back with the account. Or you can also tap on a manage account on this device and you can turn it off in here or even remove from the device entirely, right? So if you have multiple emails added on your phone, you can decide if they are going to be active in the Google Meet app, or you can also remove them entirely from your device. So as you can see, plenty of apps to start using the Google Meet and to sign out. So that's why I wanted to make this like video and tutorial about it. For more explanations and videos similar to this one, stay tuned by subscribing so you'll never miss them in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.